Hi guys, welcome back to another weather video. Today we're talking about a severe weather outbreak potentially. So we're talking about a bigger risk, but this time it's usually tornado hour is focused down here, but tornado risk is focused up here. So there's something wrong, but there's that slight risk, okay? That slight risk extends all the way up to Rapid City. Well, what is the risk earlier today?
Somebody fucked up the PlayStation.
Yep, Rapid City was not even in a risk. But they are now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Rapid City's in the heart of it. Slight risk now. Yeah, that's a big slight risk, eh? Extends all. It could be a moderate risk could be issued in here if things get even worse, but I'm just saying it's gonna probably stay enhanced risk. But that slight risk extends all the way up to Rapid City, North Dakota. So, I mean, ain't that Rapid City? Oh my gosh, it extends. It even extends to freaking Bismarck. That's insane. If that slider goes to Bismarck, that'd be just absolutely insane. This is a very big severe weather Friday. It extends all the way from Bismarck, Grand Falls, all the way down to Stockton, Texas, and Lubbock. Okay, this is not good. This is a very huge slight risk of severe weather for tomorrow. Okay, we're going to talk about today's as well. Okay, there is a little area of tornado potential. There's that tornado wind potential up here. There's a significant hail risk tonight, so be aware of that. Let's check out our current missile discussions. We have a missile discussion here, a increase for concern for supercells this evening. Man, that's small. And with some really small mesoscales. Because it's a small, slight risk. But tomorrow, there could be even severe weather for Monday for our area, so I'll have to check tomorrow as well. But you can see that area of severe weather extends to Des Moines. Again, goodness gracious. Back to Oklahoma. What? Oh my gosh, the same areas. Right there. That's that stupid dry line. Okay, enhanced risk could be issued here. Okay, let's go to the weather models now. And we're going to go to Canadian so I can forecast this much better. Okay, here is April 22nd. Here is when things are going to get. Okay, not as good as I thought. It ain't as strong as it looks. Look at these cells that had to pop up, okay? Let's see if we get anything happening. Yeah, a line of thunderstorms could go through on... Okay, Monday. Okay, here's that line of thunderstorms. Maybe this will show it better off. Okay, here. Oh, that is not good. That could be bad. That could be extremely bad. Look at this. This has no line of thunderstorms, though. The GFS model, is showing more discrete supercells here. So that could not be good. Near that low pressure, there's storms even in Rapid City now. So this threat extends to Rapid City, okay? Then it moves east with a potential, but this is where things are looking concerning. Look at this. It's very concerning. Okay, let's check out the 2-meter temperature shaded. Look at this. all the way up to Rapid City, right? Slight risk for Rapid City, PA. Okay? There's that risk, okay? Okay. And we're watching in the Northeast as well. Just watching it a little bit. We're not watching it too much. But we have to watch the Northeast a little bit. Like, we have to really pay attention to the Northeast. Okay, let's check out the Canadian on the temperatures. We gotta really watch the Northeast. Okay, here's that cold front. Ahead of it is that warm front. If it's this warm, let's check out the. There's that line of potential storms. Let's check out the 2-meter dew point. It might not even get to 60. Yep, 60s. Okay, that's not good. There could be a potential for severe weather on here. Doesn't even show thunderstorms very well. But there is that potential that it could be thunderstorms coming up. But we are more worried about areas like in here. This is what we're more having a concern about. Okay, look at these. Just look at this. Look at these. These are individual thunderstorms. Look at that. Even on the simulated satellite. Look at those. Look at these cloud tops. Oh my gosh. This is the Storm Prediction Center's severe weather risk, okay? Look at it. That's at slight risk, okay? There's discrete supercells, and that's near Rapid City. That's the reason why they have issued a slight risk back here, okay? These are storms that... Let's go to the columnist US, okay? These storms have the potential to extend from Rapid City all the way down along the Texas and line strip. Look at that. Look at them thunderstorms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, oh, there is for Des Moines. Okay, we got some more cells popping up for Des Moines. But we are looking at Friday to be the most intense day. Look at that. That is impressive, y'all. That.
We got this. What are you guys doing here? We didn't hear a call for you guys to go up. You guys aren't supposed to be here either.
See the vorticity?
Yeah, tip from one of our CIs.
What looks the most impressive is this. That is what really impresses me. Look at them storms. Let's check out the temperature shaded on this. See these little dots in here? Them are storms, okay? But that warm front is going to lift in. Oh, there's that gradient. Look at that cold air right there. That could be severe weather. There could be a marginal slight risk in here. Then there could be severe weather for the East Coast. But we are going to look beyond. Let's see if we really get anything this summer. It's looking less cold.
More days and she'll be back to herself. I promise. Guessing he didn't tell you what we're doing here either.
No, he just had a perma-grin on his face on the way here.
But man, it's gonna be it's about there's a lot more warmth on this map than usual.
Wait, where is it? Why aren't you wearing it?
Come on.
Wearing what?
Come on, man.
What is it that you wanted to tell us?
That's a line of storms there.
Why are you telling us here?
Remember this office?
Yes. This was Sebastian Lowe's campaign office.
And now it's mine.
Anyone who's qualified is afraid to run.
Look at these little strong spots. Them are thunderstorm cells, okay? Intense thunderstorm cells. We are going to end this video
Don't everyone congratulate me at once.
on this point.
Yes. The other week, Lance was saying that this city needs someone to stand up who isn't hiding behind a mask. It needs a leader. Well, why does that person have to be you? I mean, don't get me wrong.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe to more.
Maybe that's the best reason for me to be elected.
Let's go to...
What are you gonna do for staff or campaign manager? Money? Money part's taken care of. Palmer Tech has funded enough to kickstart the campaign. A decision I'm sure the board of directors are gonna be thrilled with.
What platform are you gonna run? Figure it out.
What qualifies you to be mayor?
I care about the city.
But you can't say that you're gonna run because being the Green Arrow isn't enough.
I'm working on that.
We are gonna brush up on those answers before the first press conference.
Look at this area of severe weather. Here's that area. You can see. You guys stay on high alert for more videos. So there's a slight risk extent. If you're in the green area, you're in a 1 out of 5. If you're in the yellow, you're in a 2 out of 5. If you're in that orange area, you're a 3 out of 5. There could end up being a very significant risk of severe weather tomorrow, so we're going to have to watch out. A moderate risk may be issued. Who knows yet? But it's looking very significant now. They extended it westward into Rapid City. So the whole state of Nebraska almost is under a slight risk. Be aware for that. This is a very huge risk. And it might get even extended right here as well. And a risk could be issued for here as well. But you can see this area that has the potential for seeing severe weather. Needs to stay alert and watch out. You guys like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more YouTube content.
Had a lot of health, Cisco, and Starlight.
4 polycarbonate cases